Do not throw away these bags. When you see what they can do, you'll keep them like gold. Silica bags. We usually get these useful bags when we buy something, like a pair of shoes, etc. But the bad thing is that many people around the world think that these bags are useless. And some people even think that they're toxic. But the real truth is that these people are definitely wrong. Just take a look at the video to find out more about this. Well, yes, they're right when it comes to the toxic part. Why? Because they should not be consumed because of the silicon dioxide they contain. But these bags are not useless. You can use these bags for almost everything, and I really think that you'll be amazed when we tell you that these silica gels are extremely useful and they can restore your water-damaged phone. Well, ladies and gentlemen, this means one thing: the next time you buy something, you shouldn't throw away the silica gels, not yes. You should keep the bag, which has light yellow or white granules. The silica gel bags are harmless and they're used to maintain freshness. They are meant to keep away the moisture from damaging the product during storage. Here are a few great home uses of silica gel bags. 1. Restore your water-damaged phone. As we mentioned before, you can use the silica gels to save your cell phone, and it's very simple. Here's what you need to know. Well, in case you drop your phone in water, just put a few of silica gel bags around it and it will dry up in no time, because the silicon dioxide absorbs the water. This way, you can use your phone again without any problems. 2. Put them in your wardrobe. Did you know that you can put silica gels between your clean clothes to make your clothes smell fresh? How this works? Well, the silica gel bags will make your clothes smell fresh, for a long time. The silicon dioxide will prevent and neutralize moisture. 3. Keep your workout gear dry. It's very simple, you just have to put a few silica bags in your gym bag. The gym bag absorbs moisture from our wet clothes, allowing bacteria to develop and spread in this humid environment. Silica gel bags will absorb that moisture, leaving the bag clean and free of bad odor and bacteria. 4. Prolong the shelf life of your makeup. Well, yes, and one more thing, you can also use the silica bags to save your cosmetic products. So, if you want your cosmetic products to last longer, you need to save them from moisture. Just add a silica gel bag in the makeup case, and the problem is solved. That's it.